Just wanted to give you two more examples of the last sort of problems we were working through in class yesterday, and when you're given a coordinate and you're missing another point, but you have the slope. So I'm just going to work through these two examples, and hopefully this will help you with some of the practice problems. So remember, we're using slope, which is represented by m, and it's the difference in our y's over the difference in x's. Okay, and it doesn't matter which one goes first, it's just y's over x's. So we're going to use that equation and our coordinates here. So I'm going to do y minus -5, right, because those are my two y values. And now since my y was first, the 6 goes first with the 1 in the denominator. So 6 minus 1. And because I'm solving for that missing variable, I'm going to set it equal to what my slope is, which is 2, which I can always write over 1. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit, and I'm going to say 2 over 1 equals, and I'm going to say y plus 5, because minus and negative is plus, and 6 minus 1 is 5. And now that it's cleaned up, I'm going to cross multiply to solve. So I'm doing 2 times 5, and I set that equal to 1 times y plus 5. And now we're ready to go. So 2 times 5 is 10. And this 1 on the outside really is getting distributed or multiplied by everything in the inside. So 1 times y is y plus 1 times 5, which is 5. And now you're just solving the equation. So remember, we undo our order of operations. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. And I've got 5 equals y, and that's the answer. That's the other coordinate. Here's our next one. Our slope is -2 over 3. It goes through the point -1, 2, and the other point x4. So again, I'm going to use my equation, and I'm going to put my y values, so 4 and 2 together up top, 4 minus 2, over my x values, so over x minus -1. And now I'm going to set that equal to my slope, -2 over 3. Again, I'm going to clean it up before I start cross multiplying. 4 minus 2 is 2. X minus -1 I can write as x plus 1. And it's still equal to the -2/3. And now I am ready to cross multiply. So I have -2 times x plus 1 equals 2 times 3. As I solve, I'm going to distribute. So -2 times x, so -2x, -2 times 1. I'm going to say plus -2 equals 2 times 3 is 6. Undoing my order of operations, I'm going to add a +2 to both sides. Got -2x equals 8. And my last step, divide by -2 on both sides, so x equals -4. So the important thing, of course, is how you set it up. Remember, y's over x's, and set it equal to the slope that you're given. So one more refresher for you for the equation. Difference in y's over difference in x's, and it doesn't matter which goes first. All right, good luck with your work. Reach out if you have questions.